Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable Judicator, my beloved friends, and to all the audience. First of all, let us thank God for His blessing and grace so that we can participate in this contest with good condition. Let me introduce myself. My name is Reinaldus Wuli, and I am from BALERIWU KATOLIK Senior High School in Nagekeo Regency. Ladies and gentlemen, in this time I stand here as the opposition team will give my substantive speech why I completely disagree with this motion. And our motion today is this House regrets mergers and acquisitions within the tech industry. Tokopedia, Gojek, Facebook, Instagram, Google, and YouTube. Ladies and gentlemen, from this motion, I get an argument to prove us why I completely disagree with this motion. And the argument is mergers and acquisition within tech industry brings good impact for Indonesian economy. Ladies and gentlemen, economic growth will be higher when the merger will be done. I say this because based on data from corporatefinanceinstitute.com, they say the advantage if the merger will done. The first is increase market share. When the companies merge, the new companies gain a larger market share and get ahead in competition. Ladies and gentlemen, we heard from this argument we can know the merger can give good impact to economy in Indonesia, such as the company can gain a larger market and share gets ahead in competition. The second is reduce the cost of operation. Companies can achieve economy of scale. Refer to the cost advantage experienced by a firm when it increases its level of output. The advantage arises due to such as a bulk buying of raw materials, which can result in cost reduction. The investments on assets are now spread out over a larger output, which leads to technical economics. And the third is avoids replication. Some companies' production similar product may merge to avoid duplication and eliminate competition. It also results in reduced price of the customers. So that from the third argument we can know or we can conclude the merge can give good impact because the production can eliminate the competition because the two companies can make the one product. The fourth argument is expands business into new geographic areas. A company seeking to expand its business in a certain geographical area may merge with another similar company operating in the same area, get the business started. And the fifth argument is prevent closure and unprofitable business. Mergers can save a company from going bankrupt and also save many jobs. So I totally disagree with this motion. And I heard from the videos of proposition from Push Presnas. They say if by the merger in tech industry there are some disadvantages such as risk of data publishing. And according to me, I think this is a consequence of merging tech industry. So, ladies and gentlemen, in the last from our statement, I wanna say I totally disagree with this motion. Thank you.